Being different feels lonely sometimes. You think, why can't I just fit? But here's the truth. You weren't born to blend in. You were born to stand out. Every person who made history dared to be different. They challenged norms, took risks, and embraced their uniqueness. When you accept who you are, the right people and opportunities start finding you. Your difference is your power. Never dim your light just to make others comfortable.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily